Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Thursday. Today's MetCon, it's kind of a longer one. We have an 18-minute Amrap. It's 9 plate step-ups each side. So that's 18 total, so just get to 18. Whatever you have at home to step on, use it. If you have a box, it should be 24-20. If you don't, just something that you can step on that replicates that same height. Then you have 18 plate hang to overheads. That's from above the knee, and then 36 plate overhead lunges. You can walk, you can do them in place, just get to 36. Yeah, and it's just rounds plus reps. It's gonna be a pretty fast one. Strive to go unbroken on each one. Try not to rest in your 9 or in your 18 or in your 36. Rest between movements, and you should be fine. Other than that, I'll warm up. We're gonna start from the top. It's just gonna be a 3-minute run. Run for 1:30, not jog. Run at a decent pace, like get your heart rate up, and then turn around, come back after that 1:30. And then we'll get into some glute activation. So this would be 2 rounds of 30 seconds each. We have a single leg hold with weight, then you have these glute bridge walkouts, and then a glute bridge single leg hold with weight on that opposite side. And what that looks like is, like I said, whatever you have at home, make sure it's somewhat heavy. It's gonna be opposite hand, opposite leg. So Bernie's holding it in his right hand, right, which means his right leg is gonna be out straight. He's gonna drive through his left foot and hold that. So it'll be a 30-second hold in that glute bridge. And then from there, he's gonna do some glute bridge walkouts, no weight. He'll just bring his hips up and then walk his heels out as far as he can, right? And then walk him back in. Take it nice and slow. And then we'll go back to that single leg hold, this time opposite arm. So he held it on his right. This time it's left hand up. Left leg straight, there you go, and then drive through and hold 30 seconds. And then we'll go back to the other arm. So it's 2 rounds of that. After that, we'll hit up this quick dynamic warm up. We're gonna go through this little ankle hold. So you're gonna push your ankle down, hold it like so. It'll be 20 seconds, then you'll switch sides, push down, hold it like so. After that, just some nice easy ankle rotations, right? Lunge with a reach. Remember your Cossack squats, we're getting out nice and wide. We're pushing out hips back and down, just for 20 seconds, alternating sides. The frog jumps. Real quick on the frog jumps. Right, you're gonna start on that plank and then you're gonna bring your feet towards your hands. So I'm planking it out, I'm jumping forward, boom, back down. Pretty easy. And then your push-up plank rotation. You're just gonna do a push-up, right? Go back to that plank position, then you're gonna rotate, hands in the air. Take that more for quality. As you rotate, really put a lot of pressure into whatever arm is holding you stable to rotate. That's about it. Other than that, the MetCon, right? Let's just go over these real quick. Like I said, whatever plates you had, I think most people took like 25s, 35s. Just use that plate. Whatever you have. If you have a bench, use it. Just something that will replicate like a 24-20. Anything higher is cool. Anything lower, cool. But 9 step-ups each side. We don't really care how you hold the plate. You can hold it in front of you if you want to get a little forearm. Right, you can hold it on the side. If you have a kind of thicker one, you can do that plate pinch hold to work the forearms too. Just step up 9 each leg. And then, yeah. Then we go into 18 plate hang to overhead. Right, you're just gonna hinge at the hips, bring the plate down right above your knee, down above your head. 18 of those, and then once you're done your 18, 36 overhead lunges. Boom. Make sure that plate is stacked on top of the shoulders, on top of your hips, and you should be fine. Try to have them in front, right? Try not to have that bend. Make sure you're locked out. Try to have that almost a streamlined position with my hands out, locking out, pressing into the plate, and that's it. Have a good Thursday. We'll see you tomorrow.